Let's now discuss about another quantity called the directional derivative. What is this directional derivative? Say, to associate it with gradient. Actually, it is the component of the gradient at a particular point on the surface in a particular direction. Directional derivative is basically the component of the gradient at a point on the surface in a particular direction. Mathematically, directional derivative of a function f at a point p can in the direction of a vector n bar can be defined as grad f evaluated at p dot n bar. Grad f evaluated at p dot n bar. It gives, as I have already mentioned, it gives the component of grad f at the point p in the direction of n bar.